Hello, 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 and how are you? I'm fine, I'm fine. I'm so glad you are too. Assalamu alaikum, and hello, friends. How are you today? Welcome back to Storytime with Miss Big. My Storytime pals and I are so excited that you can join us. Do I have a story for you? Are you ready? So am I. So let's begin. Our story for today is called Listen to the Rain by Bill Martin Jr. and John Archibald. Mom and Dad, if you have a copy, you can join us and we can read along. If not, check out the link below and get your own copy. Listen to the rain, the whisper of the rain. The slow, soft sprinkle, the drip, drop, tinkle. The first wet whisper of the rain. Listen to the rain, the singing of the rain. The tiptoe pitter-patter, the splish and splash and splatter. The steady sound, the singing of the rain. Listen to the rain, the roaring, pouring rain. The hurly-burly, topsy-turvy, lashing, gnashing teeth of rain. The lightning flashing, thunder crashing, sounding, pounding, roaring rain. Leaving all outdoors a muddle, a mishy, mushy, muddy puddle. Listen to the quietude, the silence and the solitude of after rain. The dripping, dripping, dropping, the slowly, slowly stopping. The fresh, wet, silent aftertime of rain. The end. What a nice story about rainfall. I hope you enjoyed today's story. Until next time, see you soon. The more we meet together, 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 the more we meet together, the happier we'll be, because your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. The more we meet together, the happier we'll be. See you soon.